Welcome back to the garage, everyone. Today we have something fun to do. It's not really fun. The car still sits in the garage. So, anyway, we finally have one of these. Now, I'm a little late to this game, but we definitely need one of these if we're going to continue doing what we're doing with the car. Because, you know, if we install vinyls and paint stuff, we definitely need one of these to make sure the car runs properly, because the new aerodynamics from all the paint and vinyl we've been doing, we want to make sure that the car works with what we're doing. All jokes aside, guys, we got one of these. We're going to get a tune from Stratified once, there's really no point in doing it now. There are some things I want to do to the car so that when we do get that tune, it's all set, we're ready to go. But for today, we're just going to find a place to mount it, run the wires, probably do a stage 1 tune with what we have on it, and then let it sit in the garage and look cool. But we're going to install it to the car. I haven't done that yet. I actually bought this off the forums because, like I keep telling everyone, the forums are a great place to find things. And I actually got this fairly cheap, and to reflash it from Stratified will actually only be another 50 bucks. So all in all, I think I got $400 invested in this, which is $100 cheaper than buying one from Cobb and about $150 cheaper than buying one from Stratified. So the first thing we have to do is we need to move this so that we can still close the little door. It's a very easy process. There's little clips on the side. Just push the little clip in. That pops out. And then just grab it up over the top. Alright, now that we're over the top, plug this in, and that way we can tuck this away. Right, this allows us to push that back, have the door closed, and now we got to find a place to run this wire so I can get it somewhere where I'd like it. So we have the plug pushed out. Now the door will close, so we just need to run the wire. I think we're going to go over the steering column and mount it right here-ish. That way it's kind of like right there. But in typical fashion, we broke something. So, yeah. Careful when you pull things apart. Now, it's hard to see, but if you shove your wire that way, it will find its way over here. And then we're just going to run it up. Over, down, and then it's going to mount right there. Now I don't have enough hands to hold a light, a camera, and do this, so I'll get back to you when we have it all mounted up, and then we'll install it to the car. Alright, so we're going to install this. We're going to get through the menus. Now, if you buy a used one, you want to make sure they uninstalled it from their car. So if it says install, you're all set. If not, you're going to have some issues. So we need to push our ignition to on. So we're going to confirm that we have a 2013-14 Focus. And then we get to go through our options. We have anti-theft mode. It came on this. We don't necessarily want to run other people's tunes. Bad things happen. But I think what we're going to run is our normal stage 1 93 octane tune. But I'm just going through the menus here. You can see it's got a couple slots on it. But what we're going to install is a stage 1 93 octane tune. So we're going to do what's recommended. We're going to turn everything off. It recommends a battery charger. We have one on because the car's in the garage right now. So now the car's doing some weird stuff. That's normal. We're going to let this load, and then it'll sit in the garage for a while. Alright, so now we're done. It says to turn it off, but we're turning it back on, so we're going to turn it off, and we're all done. Plug it into our computer for new stuff. Now that it's installed, we have new options. We have gauges, performance, troubleshooting, the tune to make adjustments, and uninstall it from our car. But there's plenty of stuff that we can go through. We can have some fun. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's something I've been wanting for a long time. We don't have a whole lot of mods on the car to actually make a huge difference, but we will coming up soon. Put some more stuff on it, and if we're lucky, if I can control what we do, we might be able to go stage 3 before we put this back on the road. But I think stage 1 right now is a good start, and then we can go up from there, stage 2, stage 3, depending on what kind of parts we put on. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for staying tuned. Subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll continue doing some more focus stuff.